Hiya lovelies and welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to be trying something new for my skincare, and I just want to be upfront with you guys. This is a sponsored video, but I'm really excited to try this product out, so hopefully you stay tuned and see what it's all about. I got a new micro needling tool in the mail from Love Pebble. I love my micro needle that I already currently have and use, but I want to try the Hydrapebble out, which is a microneedle serum tool. It's innovative beauty technology, professional skincare at home, instant results. Let yourself glow. So just from the packaging, it seems pretty nice. I have not taken it out of the box yet, so I'm going to do all of that right here for you tonight. So like I said, this is my first time using it. I just got it in. I haven't even unwrapped the tools from the box. So I'm going to be doing all of this, but I wanted to give you guys a first time review and let you know my thoughts. And then obviously I'll try it out again and come back and let you guys know what I think the second time around. What comes in the box? So this is the Hydrapebble, and it's a very sleek little tool. And then it comes with two head attachments. They look pretty similar, so it might just be two of the same thing. Again, I have to open up the rest of it to find out. It has its charger. It comes with 3 of the nano little dispensers, so they're all wrapped up and they're kept nice and sanitary. This is a disposable tip. I need to read up on it to know if this is only a one-time use or if you can use it again and just sterilize it with alcohol. It comes with 2 of the other size little head, which is a 0.25 millimeter. So I feel like this one is a little bit more intense of a poke to your face. First things first though, before I can do any type of poking with needles on my face, I need to remove all of this cake face makeup right now. So I'm going to remove my makeup, I'm going to wash my face completely, and then be right back. So you can see that my face is nice and shiny, it's freshly washed, and I also used my little acne pad just to make sure that I had everything off of my face right now. And I'm going to go in with the nano tip tonight. So as you can see, I'm just going to open it, maybe, and get my serum put in it. Now, for my nightly things and even daytime, whatever, I don't really have serums that I use. So I was reading up on it and I found results that vitamin C serum worked really well for this tool and microneedling or your skincare in general. So I ended up just getting this off of Amazon. It is from True Skin, and it is vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid serum. So I'm just going to fill up this little container with the serum. Basically, this stuff is great for helping with those free radicals. It's gonna help brighten your skin. It's gonna help diminish the appearance of fine lines and keep it nice and hydrated from what I read. So anyways, let's get this little jar filled up. This is the end where you'll remove the cap to place the serum in. It's the smaller end, if that helps. It says to fill it up to this midline right there. So that'll be easy. It's nice and marked. Have some air bubbles in there. I think it'll be okay though. After you get it filled up, just replace the cap. So taking the tool and taking the serum, it says to attach the serum into the tool without the head attachment. So basically I'm sticking the serum side down in there first. Okay, I got it all the way pushed down in there. It's now saying to remove the microneedle cap. So hold on to this as we take that off. Okay, oh yeah, you can definitely see it now. You can actually see the microneedles right there for you after the cap was removed. And now we're placing the little serum cartridge head adapter. This is what's going to basically lock the serum cartridge in place. So I'm just going to stick that on there. I think that's locked in. I think we're good to go. So basically this is the power button, and I think it has 4 different levels. So we're going to try it on the ferrous on level 1 first, just to see if it hurts, what it feels like, and then go from there. So you need to hold it down to get it going. Oh, I can definitely see it like vibrating and things. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's saying to move it in circular motions. This does not hurt at all. It honestly just feels like a vibrator on your face, like a little massage tool. Let's crank it up some. This is 2. Still nothing. 3. Nothing still as far as hurting. And 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, so this is not painful whatsoever. So that's a good thing, because with my other microneedle tool, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't hurt like painful, but you definitely feel the needles pricking your skin. So this one feels honestly just like a nice little vibration on your face. I can definitely feel the serum coming out. So I'm just going to continue to make these circular motions all over. I had to plug her in. She isn't charged fully, so that's okay though. I just finished up using this first cartridge. There's still some in there, but I feel like I got the majority of it out. As you can see, my face is definitely wet and shiny. So it definitely let the serum out as the tool is on, and as these microneedles penetrate your skin, it's probably helping to push that serum into the skin faster, and that's what we want, because basically you're sending signals to your skin, to your face, as you microneedle or as you do this Hydrapebble tool to your face. Basically you're sending little ouchy signals to your face saying like, hey, skin cells, you need to go there to heal the punctured area where it's like injured and wound. So that's why putting the serums in, I know this analysis is probably really funny sounding, but anyways, that's why using your serum at the same time or right after you do such things is really helpful, because it has those holes where the serum can then sink down into your skin faster when it triggers those new skin cells to send up to plump and replenish the skin surface to heal. So it just enables the serum, your cream, whatever you use, it lets it sink down deeper into your skin for the ultimate benefit from whatever product that you are using. Taking this apart, I'm going to remove the head and I'm going to clean it off and then sanitize it with alcohol. Do you just pull it out? Okay, you just pull it out. The only downfall that I'm reading in the instructions, see, I use pretty much most of that serum. So anyways, it's saying do not reuse the serum cartridges. So that is the only thing that I am not loving about this. I totally understand it, because you don't want to be pushing holes in your face with needles that aren't sterile. I get that, but at the same time, I feel like you could probably clean this with rubbing alcohol and it would be okay to reuse. Obviously cleaning out the inside that had the serum in there, but better be safe than sorry. I'm just going to pitch this and I will use another head for the next go at this. But I already feel it already soaked into my face. So right off the bat, I can definitely tell that it like absorbed into my skin way faster than just my creams do after I microneedle. So we'll keep an eye on it, see if I notice a difference, and I'll be back with you on another night. Tonight, I think I'm gonna up the dose and I'm gonna try doing the 0.25 milliliter. It's, I guess, the H12 little cartridge. So this one's supposed to be more intense. With the nano, you can do that up to twice a week, it says. And then with this one, with the H12, it says only do once a week. I want to let you guys know if this one is more intense, since the other one, even up on level 4, I didn't even like feel anything. I'm not saying it didn't work, but I'm gonna see the difference. Okay, so I just filled it up with the vitamin C serum, the same stuff that I used on the prior night, sticking it into the Hydrapebble, and then we're going to remove the cap to the microneedle side. Oh, dang. Okay, this definitely looks different than the other night. This definitely has like fewer needles, but they look more intense, I'm not gonna lie. So they're spaced out a little bit more. So this definitely might feel a little bit more intense. Hopefully my skin's ready for it. Placing the little head cap on top. This is level 1 right now. Oh, okay. You can definitely feel the needles more so on this H12 or the 0.25 millimeter needle. I will say what I found as I did this the other night, I feel like I need to tilt my head a little bit more intensely, or like the machine, just so I can really get that serum to come out. I don't think I want to pump it up anymore. One is pretty intense feeling. It doesn't hurt, but I definitely feel the needles. I feel like it hurts more on like the harder surface, so like my forehead, where there's not as much skin or fatty tissue. This kind of hurts. Maybe I'm just a wuss. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to press as hard. I can feel the serum coming out now though, so that's good. I couldn't really feel it when it was on my cheekbone over there. You can see I'm turning red. I mean, this is all good pain. Beauty is pain. It's sending those like ouchie signals, which I definitely know that they're ouchies. My skin is definitely red. It's nice and shiny as well. I already feel the serum soaking in. It almost feels like my skin it's absorbing it obviously, but it feels like it's like a drying sensation where it's like tightening it. But I definitely just want to put my moisturizer on it now after that. It just feels intense. I think I actually am going to get my beauty roller as well. I keep it in the fridge, and I think I'm going to start to roll over my face just because it definitely feels intense. Give you a close-up view, my forehead and my cheekbones, I try to focus mostly again where I do have those visible lines. So I did a lot on my forehead. This is the most tender part right now as I am talking to you. But then around like the eyes, the like crow's feet, we'll say, I wanted to focus on that area too, just so I could get that serum in there to help plump. And I did my entire face, but those are like the areas that I really like try to focus on in general. I just put on my moisturizer, and I'm not gonna lie, I ended up patting it into my skin versus like rubbing or anything, because even that, I definitely felt it like, it was like, oh, my skin was thirsty. It wanted to like soak it all up. So that's a good sign, because it's definitely like sinking deeper down into the skin to actually do a better job at what your expensive creams are all about. But anyways, it definitely kind of had a slight ting and like burn to it. So then I just took my beauty roller right here that I told you I keep in the fridge, and it was like if you put ice on a sunburn. That's how it felt as far as just rolling it all around. I just did it. It definitely, I think, made my face look a little bit more red, but it was soothing. So it was nice. It's still just like right up there at the very top of that forehead line where you see that red, that it feels super intense. But everything, all in all, obviously the product works. The Hydrapebble does help to dispense that serum into your skin as you microneedle. So I'll just have to use it a little bit more, but as far as a review, the product works. I would definitely say if you're interested in looking into a microneedling tool, this could be beneficial for you. The only downfall that I don't love about the product is that the cartridges that it comes with, where you put the serum in that that has the needles attached to it, they're not reusable. I even like looked it up, and it's best if you just throw them away after one use. So that's gonna get a little pricey buying cartridges all the time. That's my overall review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. If you want to see more skincare, more beauty, more fitness, more style, fun hauls with me, then you're going to want to hit that subscribe button that's right there in the center. You can also hit the bell that's down below. That's going to keep you notified every single time I upload a video. Check those videos out over there on the side. You have time to kill, so you might as well watch me a little bit more. And until next time, I'll see you all then.